Are you ready to witness the future of 3D printing? Do you want to see the most amazing 3D printers that will blow your mind with their speed, quality, and versatility? Do you want to find out which 3D printer is the best for your needs and budget? Welcome to 5 Star, your ultimate source of news and reviews on all things tech. In this video, we're going to show you the best 3D printers, based on our rigorous testing and research. No matter if you're a hobbyist, a professional, or a beginner, there's a 3D printer for you in this list that will make your dreams come true. And if you want to get your hands on any of these printers, we have the links in the description below where you can snag the best deals and also support our channel. So stay tuned and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. The Toybox 3D printer is the ultimate toy maker for kids and kids at heart. It is super easy to use, super safe, and super fun. You can print over 500 pre-made toys from the Toybox app, or draw your own designs with a simple drawing tool. The Toybox 3D printer uses eco-friendly PLA filament that comes in various colors. It has a print size of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters and a resolution of 200 microns. The Toybox 3D printer is the best way to make your own custom toys and unleash your creativity. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what a happy customer has to say. "My kids love this printer. They have so much fun printing their own toys and playing with them. The app is very easy to use and has a lot of options. The printer is also very quiet and safe. I highly recommend this product for anyone who has kids or wants to have some fun with 3D printing." The Toybox 3D printer is a bargain at around $349 on Amazon. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro and Mars 3 are resin 3D printers that offer stunning details and smooth surfaces. They use monochrome LCD screens that last longer and print faster than color screens. They also have carbon air filtration systems that make the resin smell less like death. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro has a print size of 129 by 80 by 160 millimeters and a resolution of 50 microns. The Elegoo Mars 3 has a print size of 138 by 86 by 175 millimeters and a resolution of 35 microns. Both models have user-friendly interfaces and support various types of resin. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what a happy customer has to say. "I bought the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro as my first resin printer and I am very impressed with the quality and speed of the prints. The setup was easy and the instructions were clear. The prints come out very detailed and smooth, with no visible layer lines or artifacts. The carbon filter does a good job of reducing the smell of the resin, which is not too bad anyway. I am very happy with this purchase and I would recommend it to anyone who wants to try resin printing." You can get them on Amazon for around $212 and $280 respectively. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4K is another resin 3D printer that delivers stunning details and smooth surfaces. It has a monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 3840 by 2400 pixels, which allows for faster printing and finer details. It also has an upgraded UV light source that provides uniform exposure and better accuracy. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4K has a print size of 132 by 74 by 165 millimeters and a resolution of up to 10 microns. It has a dual linear rail design that ensures stability and smoothness. It also has an anti-aliasing function that reduces jagged edges and improves print quality. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what a happy customer has to say. "This printer is amazing. The prints are so crisp and detailed, you can see every little feature and texture. The screen is huge and bright, and the printing speed is incredible. The anti-aliasing function makes the prints look even smoother and more realistic. The dual linear rail design makes the printer very stable and quiet. The software is easy to use and supports many formats. This printer is worth every penny. The Anycubic Photon Model 4K is the ultimate resin 3D printer for high-resolution printing. You can get it on Amazon for about $400. The Anycubic Kobra is a FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printer that will make your prints fast and furious. It has an auto-leveling system that uses an infrared sensor to detect the bed level and adjust it automatically. It also has a filament runout detection and resume printing function that prevents print failures due to power loss or filament shortage. The Anycubic Kobra has a print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters and a resolution of up to 100 microns. It has a dual gear extruder that provides stable feeding and better compatibility with different filaments. It also has a touchscreen interface and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy operation. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what a happy customer has to say. "I love this printer. It is very easy to set up and use, and the auto-leveling system works great. The print quality is excellent, and the print speed is fast. The dual gear extruder handles different filaments very well, and the filament runout detection and resume printing function are very useful. The touchscreen interface is responsive and intuitive, and the Wi-Fi connectivity is convenient. This printer is a beast." You can get it on Amazon for around $350. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is our top pick for the best 3D printer of 2023. It is an upgraded version of the popular Ender-3 Pro, with improved features and performance. It has a full metal extruder that reduces clogging and improves heat dissipation. It also has a carborundum glass platform that provides better adhesion and smoothness for the prints. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro has a print size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters and a resolution of up to 100 microns. It has a silent motherboard that reduces noise and vibration. It also has a resume printing function that recovers from power outages or filament breaks. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what a happy customer has to say. "This printer is awesome. It is very easy to assemble and operate, and the print quality is superb. The full metal extruder is durable and reliable, and the carborundum glass platform is smooth and sticky. The silent motherboard makes the printer very quiet, and the resume printing function saves me from losing my prints. This printer is the best bang for your buck." You can get it on Amazon for $500. Wow, what a ride! We hope you had a blast watching and learning about the best 3D printers of 2023. These are just some of the options you can consider when looking for the best 3D printer for your needs and budget. And if you love this video, please show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more tech videos. And if you're interested in buying any of these 3D printers, just click on the links in the description below and you'll get the best deals available online. We really appreciate your support and feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep an eye on our channel for more amazing tech content. This is 5 Star, signing off.